Hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Usually on my channel I tell you about the German vocabulary and new words which I also learn newly. But today I'm going to share something new with you guys. I recently got to know that by mixing different kind of meals or different kind of flours available in the supermarket, you can actually make Indian atta at home. I never tried this option because I get Indian atta from my nearby Indian stores and sometimes I order from the online also. But this time I thought let's try it, and sometimes it comes good, and maybe next time when I'm not getting Indian atta from the Indian store, I can try this option. So let's start. So first of all, we have to take Weizen meal of type 1050, and for 2 packets of Weizen meal type 1050, I took 1 packet of Weizen meal full corn atta, and after mixing all these 3 packets, it turned out to be Indian atta at home, and I was surprised also. I made even rotis, it turned out good. So if you want to increase the quantity of fiber in your roti, you can increase the ratio of full corn in your atta, in your mixture. Now, let me tell you what kind of other meal you get in the German supermarket. Next, we have Weizenmehl type 550. This is maida, and this is you can also say white refined flour, and you can use it in baking. And next we have Vollkorn mit Hefe. Vollkorn mit Hefe is used particularly in making brown breads. So Hefe means yeast, and this atta is already having yeast in it. You can use it for making breads. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for such more videos in the future. I would see you guys once again tomorrow. For now, auf Wiedersehen and bis morgen everyone.